Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about a quick method which you can use for squaring numbers. And that method is just going to take a couple of seconds to implement, right? I am Chinmay Kare and I am your guide to take your math skills to the next level. If you're new to this channel, we have done a couple of videos earlier where we have been talking about squaring of numbers. We have done a video on a quick method which you can deploy for squaring numbers ending with 5. And we have done another video where we have listed down observations which you can use to really estimate quickly what the square of a number could be and whether a number is a perfect square or not. So in this video, we'll be talking about squaring of two-digit numbers and a quick and easy method which you can use. Before we get to the method, let us look at what is a conventional method, right? So on the left-hand side of your screen, you can see a 26 multiplied by 26, which is our current example. If we use the conventional method, we are going to start with the units digit and then multiply both these numbers over here, right? So let's see how that works. Right, so first is 6 into 6, you get 36, and then you multiply 6 with 2, where you get 12, and then you add the carry over 3, you get 15, so you write 156. So that's the first part. Then you have to multiply 2 with both these digits, so you get 2 into 6, which is 12, and then you get 2 into 2, which is 4, and then carry 1, which is 5, and your answer is 676. So this is our conventional method of multiplication, which we all have learned in school, correct? And this is what we all use. But as you will appreciate, this is going to be time taking, as the numbers get bigger. So what can we do? So there is one method which again you would have learned in school. If you have learned algebra, you know a formula called a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what does a plus b square means? It means that any number can be expressed in the form of a plus b and which can be squared. And this algebraic expression can be used to find the solution of a plus b square. So if we apply that to 26 square, so we can write 26 as 20 plus 6 square, and then using this formula, we can apply the values of a and b to this example, and therefore we will get 20 plus 6 square is going to be 20 square, which is 400, plus 6 square, which is 36, and then 2 multiplied by both these numbers, which is 20 and 6. So this is what we are going to get, 400 plus 36 plus 240, which is 640 plus 36, and then finally 676. So this is another method that again you can deploy, which is maybe a little better than this sometimes, but may not be always. So now let's come to our method, which we can actually deploy and which is going to be faster than both of these. So now let us learn our method which we want to employ for finding the square of 26. So this is going to be a simple method and which is actually an application of the a plus b whole square formula which we have just seen. So let us see how this works. So what is the first step? First step is to square the tens digit. Now in this example, the tens digit is 2. So the square of 2 is going to be 4. So we put down 4 like this. So if you have seen the previous video on our observations of square, we have also seen that the square of two-digit numbers, that the lowest two-digit number which is 10 and the highest two-digit number which is 99, so the squares range between 3 and 4 digits. So 99 square is 9801 and 10 square is 100. So 10 square is 3 digits and 99 square is 9801, which is 4 digits, which means that any two-digit number square is going to have maximum of 4 digits. So that is why we are going to put 4 digits over here. The first part will be the tens digit square. The second step will be to square the units digit. In this case, it is 6. So we are going to put 36 and we write them in this form 04 and 36. So we have these 4 digits that we are looking for. The second step is multiply both these digits and double them. So we have 2 and 6 in this case, so multiply them, we get 12, and when you double them, basically again is multiplying by 2. we get 24. And we put down 24 like this. And now we just sum both the rows. So what do we get? 6, 7, 6. And this formula is nothing but a more simplified application of the a plus b whole square formula. Let us look at another example. So the steps remain the same. And in this example, we are going to square 79. So as you know, the first step is to square 7. So 7 square is 49. So we put 49 here. The next number is 9. And then we have to square it. So 9 square is 81. So we put 81 beside it. So now we have the 4 digits we were looking for. And now we have to multiply these 2 digits and double them. So 7 into 9 is 63. And the double of 63 is 126. So this is how we are going to put 126. So we leave the units digit and put the remaining digits under the tens, hundreds, and thousands digits like this 1, 2, and 6. Now sum up the rows. So we get 1, 4, 2, and 1, 6. Right? So final answer is 6241, which is square of 79. So I hope you found this method useful. Okay, enjoy.